Take a look at this 1979 Ford F100 Ranger. Regular cab, short box, step side. Just a classy, nice looking truck. This truck was actually restored, it's been a little while ago. But when they did it, they blew the thing apart. They had basically the cab sitting in the frame, sandblasted the frame, worked their way back up from there, and it shows. It was a nice quality job. And like I said, it still shows to this day. Red paint has a great luster. Are there maybe a few blemishes, imperfections here or there? Yes, but I tell you what, you won't find too many of them. This is a very nice driver quality truck. I wouldn't be afraid to show it all. Powered by a 302 underneath the hood with power steering, power brakes. That's paired with a manual 3-speed overdrive transmission. As you can see, the bright work, bumper, paint, all in nice shape. Riding on those Krager SS's with that classic look. BF Goodrich radials. Visor added there. Just a very, very nice looking F100. You can see how straight it is too, how the fit and finish is on it. Does have a cloth bench seat, sliding rear glass. See the interior pretty much as far as the dash and gauges and everything stock, with the exception of the aftermarket, I believe it's a Kenwood stereo in there with speakers added behind the seat. Headliner to match the seat and the interior. Nice chrome flashy step on the step side there. And take a look at this box. You want to see nice looking. Take a look at the wood and stainless in here. So you can tell once this truck was restored how it's been taken care of since then. Tailgate, chrome tip sticking out the back. If you'd like to check out the underside pics, engine bay, seeing the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call. Maybe you got questions about transportation or like to inquire about the vehicle. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'm going to slip around and show you the interior here. Start it up so you can hear it run. As you can see, there's your 3-speed overdrive on the floor. Door cards all very nice shape, as well as the rest of the interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. A little aftermarket tack on the steering column there. See how easily it starts, smooth it runs, and hey, even the fasten seatbelt light came on there. Your Kenwood aftermarket stereo, Ranger dash tag. See how nicely that door closes and fits. Slip around to the back so you can hear that 302. Nothing too crazy out of it. Nice little rumble. Again, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. And once again, if you'd like to check out any of the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1979 Ford F100 Ranger, regular cab, short box, step side.